crazy how this is it. When the wind blows and you go cold, even if your life wasn't magnificent, it's all you're ever gonna get, man. It's crazy that I am I. It's crazy that you are you, and you will never know what I am gonna do. We see the same thing but have a different view. I try and keep it relentless, cause I'm a mortal man, so I sort of can't waste time on things I never meant. Shit, feeling so pensive, I just try and keep it honest, cause you know I'm never a liar, I'm always myself and not those I admire. I look at the rules and I try and defy 'em, man. But one day, I can see all you knowing me, sitting idly imagining, friends bragging cause they know I'm see. Maybe nobody'll notice me, but hopefully folk will see when I take shit over like Bodicea and tear 'em apart with my vocals. See, I'm an addict with lyrics, a faggot who's Phyllis, and I'm rapping circles around all the nearest. Dedicated cause there's no forever, never waiting to just make it better. I set my statements and I make it clever. When I meditate, I feel like I'm facing heaven. I'll never fake it or just make it severed, or be dead in Vegas to forsake the pressure. I was set to do a show, but if only I had known I was gonna do it big, well, I guess I had to make it grow. But I'm coming for it now, you know I'm gunning for the sound. You might not see me for some time, but I think I'll come back round. And maybe one day you'll see me again, on Twitter or TV, or maybe you'll stop me on the streets where nobody will see me. I'm not gonna live forever, but I got a big dream, see, so I can maybe end it all, but that'd never ever free me. Maybe one day you'll see me again, with sorrow or glee. We might have a talk or maybe a walk where nobody will see me. I'm not gonna live forever, but I got a big dream, see, so I can maybe end it all, but that'd never ever free me. It's crazy how this is it, when the mind blanks and the eyes sank. That's your last chance to be doing shit, knowing that sometimes I feel like I'm losing it. Sometimes I lose hope with every new woe, knowing I'll be in a suit cold. What's a new show or a hue blow when I'm doomed? So I keep going. I never got here out of laziness or some money or fame on my radius. It's all cause I spit with a craziness, MC with a villainous radiance. But that wasn't always my name. I was mad and they thought I was lame. I haven't got strength, but you know what, I'm trained. I'm not making it rain, but nothing was the same. When I first was rapping I was garbage, and in those early days it was the hardest. High voice, sweet flow when I started. It didn't seem like I could be an artist. But 13, 14 I had no clue. Had to not do what I was supposed to. I conform, it's sure, but I forced it. Now I'm rapping like shit to my folks who supported as soon as I went in the game and saw my first big mixtape. Most didn't think much cause I was a kid, but I'm still here spitting to this day. I don't know where I would be without the music, what I'd do with every day and get a fuse lit. I've not got forever but I got time, and you better fucking believe I'm a user. Maybe one day you'll see me again, on Twitter or TV, or maybe you'll spot me on the streets where nobody will see me. I'm not gonna live forever, but I got a big dream, see, so I can maybe end it all, but that'd never ever free me. Maybe one day you'll see me again, with sorrow or glee. We might have a talk or maybe a walk where nobody will see me. I'm not gonna live forever, but I got a big dream, see, so I can maybe end it all, but that'd never ever free me. Maybe one day you'll see me again, on Twitter or TV, or maybe you'll spot me on the streets where nobody will see me. I'm not gonna live forever, but I got a big dream, see, so I can maybe end it all, but that'd never ever free me.